Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another squaring trick, and this time I am going to take up some special numbers, that is the numbers which end in 25, like I have written here. Like the numbers which end in 25 means like it can be 325 or 725 or 1925, 2825 and so on, and some of the numbers which contain repeating digits like 4 square, or you want to find 3 square, such large numbers. So two exclusive tricks for you in this video. So you got to subscribe the channel right now and click the bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications, and watch the entire video. Now that is really important. To learn something new, you need to persist, you need to watch and then practice using 10 examples of each trick so that you can feel comfortable. Okay, so let's see the first trick which we have for this video. Suppose we are taking some repeating digits. I'll take a very simple example first and then we will complicate the situation. So suppose you have to find 33 square, right? So just do 3 square. You know 3 square is 9. So just write 9 and then put a slash. Now how many 3's are there? We have 2 3's, right? So you have to take the second multiple of 9. 9 2's are 18 and then go back to the first number 9. So we have to write these three numbers and then start writing from the unit digit 9, 8 and the 1 gets added to 9 and it becomes 10. So 1089 is the square of 33. Likewise for the same number, suppose you have to do 3 square. So the same digit is repeating, but it is repeating 3 times now. So what we will do now? 9 will be written and then second multiple, then the third multiple. Why up to 3? Because there are 3 3's here, and then go back. So 18 and 9. And now start writing from the unit digit 9. 18 means 8, 1 carry. So 27 plus 1, 28. So 8, 2 carry. 18 plus 2, 20. 0, 2 carry. And 9 plus 2, 11. And that gives us our answer for the question, which is 1 1. So you can see here 110889. So this is the trick. Now let's apply this to some more different numbers. Suppose you have to do 4 square. So I just need to know 4 square, that is 16. I'll write the second multiple 32 and I'll write the third multiple 48 and then go back, because 1 2 3 4's are there, so I'll go only up to the third multiple. So 32 here and 16 here. Now retain the 6, carry forward the 1, 33 means 3, carry forward the 3, 51 means 1, carry forward the 5, 37 means 7, carry forward the 3 and it becomes 19. So 197136 is the square of 444. Now you can pick up the calculators and check, the answer is not going to be wrong. Another 2-digit number, maybe let's do 77 square. So 7 square is 49. I'll take the second multiple 98 and go back to 49. So 9, 4 means 102 means 2 and 10. So 59. 5929 is the square of 77. Squaring will be very easy because you only have to go up to the second multiple. Let's take a big number now to test ourselves. How about taking 6 and maybe one more 6 square, such a big number. Now we just need to know what is 6 square. So 6 square is 36. I'll take the second multiple 72, third multiple 108, fourth multiple 144 and the fifth multiple 36 into 5 is 180. Now these are the 5 numbers which you should know, the multiples of square of 6, right, up to 5, because there are 5 6's here. Now go back. So this is 144 and then go back to 108, go back to 72 and go back to 36. So how will you get your answer now? Start writing from here. 6, 3 carried here, so 75, 5, 7 carried, so 115, so 5, 11 carried, 155, so 5, and 15 carried, 195, 5 and 19 carried. How much is this? 163, right? So 3, 16 carried, and then this is 124. So 4, 12 carried, and then 84 means 4, 8 carried, and then 36 plus 8 is 44. So your answer for the question is 44443555556. Such a big answer, and see, if you do it through the traditional method, it will take at least 4 times the time we have consumed for doing it through the short trick. Now this is the first trick, squaring numbers containing the repeating digits. Now let's take up one more very interesting trick to square the numbers ending in 25. So for that, I'll take the example of, say, a number like 325, so that we can understand the trick first, and then we will solve some difficult questions also. So apart from 25, you have a 3 here. So what am I going to do is, I will just take the square of 3 and add half of 3, that is 3 by 2 to the result. So 3 square is 9 and 3 by 2 is 1.5. So this gives me 10.5. And by default, you need to multiply this number by 10. So you get 105, and this is the number I wanted, because I know 25 square is 625. So I'll just suffix 625 with this and get my answer 105625. Now you can just check using the calculator. 325 into 325, is that 105625? Right. So if you have learned this trick, we can apply it to 625 square. So apart from 25, you have a 6, and 6 square plus half of 6, and then whatever you get has to be multiplied by 10. Now this is the mental math step you need to remember. So this is 36 plus 3, 39, right? And 39 times 10 is 390. What do you do after that? Just suffix 625, you get your answer. Now you may ask the question, what happens when we get a decimal here? We have an odd number here, so when we take the half of that, you get a odd number, and the result will be a decimal. So when you multiply by 10, it won't matter. So let's take such number. Suppose I take 925 square, right? So here we have 9. 9 means 81, right? Square of that is 81. So what will you add to 81? You will add half of 9, that is 4.5. So this number is 85.5, and when you multiply this by 10, you get 855, and just suffix 625, you get your answer for the square of 925. So we can take up some big examples also. Let's take 1225 square. So all you need to do is to leave 25 and take the remaining number. So we have 12 square. 12 square is 144, and half of 12, that is 6. So when you add them, you get 150. Just multiply 150 by 10, you get 1500, and suffix 625 to the result, you get your answer 1500625. Isn't that amazing? Let's take up more bigger examples. Suppose you have a number like say 825 square. So here we have 18. 18 square is 324. Add what? Half of 18, that is 9 to this. This is 333. What do you do with this number? Just suffix 0 first, because you need to multiply this by 10. So 3330, and then suffix 625, you get your answer. Let's take one more. This is 2325 square. See, I can go on and demonstrate squaring of numbers, such big numbers. It can be 5-digit number also. So 23. So 23 square is 529. Add what? Half of 23, which is 11.5. So how much is this? 0.5, and 529 plus 11 is 540. When you multiply this by 10, you get 5405. So what will be your answer? I have already multiplied by 10, just suffix 625, and you get your answer for the square of 2325. Now again, use of calculators, that's what you need to do, and understand the trick. Practice it using 20-30 questions. It will take you only 10 minutes solving them, and you will feel comfortable and start applying them in cracking the simplification questions. So friends, very important video, very interesting video for maths lovers. Do share it with all your friends on your WhatsApp groups, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do it, and click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting the notifications on the channel. Thanks for watching this video, and all the best.